Short video here. I want to show you some of the other things that I clean my brushes with. After I clean them with mineral spirits, I take them to the sink and I use the Blue Dawn dish detergent, and I soak them good with that. I put that on there and keep my gloves on because you work that paint into your hands. Some of the paints we use are toxic, so you don't want to rub it into your skin. And I also have Murphy's oil soap. That's another way of cleaning the brushes. You can, make a little cup of that, stick your brush down in there, swish it, and then work it into your bristles. The thing you don't want to do is allow the paint to dry in the ferrule of the brush. That's where it connects with the metal piece. The bristles connect with the metal piece. That's called the ferrule of the brush. Once it starts building up in there, your brush is ruined. So you invest money in your brushes. You want them to last as long as possible. So those are two things that I do at the sink. But I get most all the paint out of it before I take it to the sink because you don't want to pour any of that down your sink. The other thing I have here is a box of the single edge razors. I picked those up at Home Depot. You can probably get them other places. But that's what I scrape the paint off with when I'm done for the end of the day. Any mixtures I have on there, I scrape it off because it'll dry on there. Then it's a nuisance to get it off. So hope this is helpful. Let me know if you have any questions. Look forward to seeing you. Bye-bye.